to factory reset Xiaomi 11T Pro. You can first turn off your device by holding the power key. After the phone turns off, press and hold the volume up and power key. When you see the recovery screen, release the power and volume key. Now navigate with volume key and select Wipe Data with power key. Now click on Wipe All Data. Click to confirm Wipe All Data. Once the data is wiped successfully, click to go back to Main menu. Now select Reboot. At the end, select Reboot to System. Now your phone should be as good as new. I hope this method works for you. Like, share, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.